Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about while counter-controlled repetitions in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. The while statement is a control flow statement in JavaScript that allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. The basic syntax of the while statement is as follows. The condition is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value, either true or false. The code block following the while keyword is executed repeatedly as long as the condition is true. Once the condition becomes false, the execution of the code block stops and the program continues with the next statement following the while loop. For example, in this example, the condition is count less than 5, which means the code block following the while keyword will be executed as long as count is less than 5. The variable count is incremented by 1 at the end of each iteration. So it will increment from 0 to 4 and the loop will stop. The while loop is useful for situations where the number of iterations is unknown or when the loop must continue until a specific condition is met. It is also useful for counter-controlled repetition, which is a common programming pattern where a variable is used to keep track of the number of iterations, such as in the example above. It is important to keep in mind that if the condition is never met, and the loop will never stop. It will create an infinite loop and cause the program to crash. It is also important to use the while loop in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.